population problems, no, communal conflicts, okay, communal riots. So the communal means when the people are doing, they're proud because of their belongs to one community, and they can do anything because of their community. Their attitude is communalism. Next one, communal person. Communal person who is motivate the violence, who is responsible reason for the violence, who doing business with the community, who doing politics with the community, who enjoy the luxury life with the community or with the community members. That is the person called communal person. Community violence, we have a number of dimensions of communalism is there from a society. By the TK woman say number of dimensions of communal violence and causes, consequences, and preventive measures of communal violence. All the things we discussed from our last class. Okay. In continue with next one, the next title is human trafficking. Okay. Human trafficking also now the serious issue in our society. Number of states in our India facing this issue of human trafficking. Not only number, like mostly all the states in India facing the issue of human trafficking. Okay, so human trafficking something new. It's not that much popular, which you're not aware that much compared to the population, poverty, and unemployment. Human trafficking is something new. Okay, so human trafficking, which means the human when they are when they are take from one place and sell to other place, that is human trafficking. Okay, so like this is the third largest organized crime in our world. Okay, because we have number of organized crime is there. Like the first one is the arms trade, drugs trade, and the third one is the human trafficking. It's also organized crime. Very properly, they plan to kidnap the buy or sell the people in the market. That is the human trafficking. Okay. By United Nations, definition of human trafficking is any activity leading to recruitment, transportation, harboring. Okay. We use of the person, anybody doing that recruitment, transport of the human, not like materials, not like goods or the product. Like when the population of the person, individual doing transport, or when the individual transfer from one place to other place, or recruit from somebody and selling to somebody, when that things happen, that is the human trafficking by means of threat or use of force or a position of vulnerability, like make them fear, or by threatening buy the people or sell the people, or by force kidnap or selling somebody or buy from somebody. These things when it happen with the human, with the person, that kind of thing considered as the human trafficking. Okay, so closely 80% of the human trafficking across the world happen because of sexual exploitation. Rest of them for modern laborers, child laborers, domestic workers, some other purpose. Mostly 80% of human trafficking happen because of the sexual exploitation, a sexual oriented job, oriented profession only. The victims, the individual, the person buying, selling, the things happening. Okay, that's a serious issue. So human trafficking, according to the first port magazine, in the one article it mentioned that Delhi is the hub of the human trafficking in India. Yes, number of people or the trade, the kind of a human trade happening in the Delhi only for the domestic laborers, forced marriage, as well as the for prostitution. Because of this purpose, the human trade happening in the Delhi. So Delhi is the capital by the first port. Next one, the New York Times also said that in India, Jharkhand is the main the serious issue happening in the Jharkhand, the name of human trafficking. Like number of children and young girls are trafficking from the neighboring places, like from the Nepal, from Bangladesh. The trafficking things happen. So Jharkhand also one of the serious trafficking things happening in our India. So these are the two important article explain about the human trafficking in India. And human trafficking means, as I told you, like sold in faraway states of India for sexual exploitation and work as the bonded laborers by the agent who live their parents, who tell lie to the parents and take the child from the parents and sell to somebody. So they may tell lie like we're going to provide a good education, we're going to provide a good life, better life, we're going to give money every month, we will deposit in your account, you can take from your bank. So your child going to work in good company, your child going to get the happy life. So don't worry, we will take care of your child. Like this, they will tell number of lie from the parents and take the child from the parents. After that, few months they may get the enough proper salary. Few months child also can speak properly with the parents. Few months the activities are normal only. But after that, slowly the child getting some gap from the parents, and parents are not able to communicate the child. Parents are not able to trace the child where there is the child, what the child is doing. The type of things parents may not aware because of the trafficker sell the child to somebody. So that things are happening. So the agents not send these kids to the school or the work, but they may sell them to the work in the brick making industry, carpentry units, domestic servants, or they may sell to the some other organized crimes. They may make as beggars also. Like this, number of way the human trafficking things happening in our society. Mostly the girls are trafficked for the purpose of sexual exploitation. The child, like a boy or girl, the child are exploited for the child labor as well as the beggars. Like in mostly you also know something when you travel from one place to other place in a bus stand or railway station, you can see that some child are doing the begging type of things because of mostly they are victims. They are facing issue. They kidnapped from some place and sell to some other organized crime activities. So the childs are doing like a begging type of things. So like this number of things happening from our society. Even these girls are forced to marry to certain region people also, because there is some regions there is the sex ratios are very less. It's only on the population problem topic. So we have the sex ratio in India is 940 per thousand boys. Okay, 940 girls are only there per thousand boys. Okay, so like this in all over the India statistics. But some states nowadays they are very less female population for the male. So in that place, getting female for marriage, getting girls for marriage, it's very difficult. So for that type of things, also they will kidnap from somebody and they buy the girls from the market for the marriage purpose. So that things also happening. So like this, number of issues are happening in India name of human trafficking. So that is a very serious issue. Some statistics, as per the government statistics, every 8 minutes in India, one child goes missing from our country. Okay, every 8 minutes, one child is missing from our country, like because of the trafficking, because of the kind of brokers or the sexual brothel people doing that. They will kidnap the child and sell it to somebody. The things happening in 2011. About 35,000 children were reported missing, more than 11,000 from West Bengal alone. So from this, you understand how many children are every year missing from our country, particularly from the very weaker or the very what is it? The border or the issue-based states. So where there is a border issue, where there is a number of illegal export import happening, that states facing the child missing cases, because easily enter to other country. The borders are very near, easily enter to other country. That time the police not able to trace, police not able to go other country. So when the child missing from one country, so it considers missing only. So tracking, following, and identifying the child, things are very less. Even this is the only assumed only 30% of the case only reported in the police station, reported in the FIR. Number of cases it not registered in police station, they not file any FIR for the missing cases. So you can see like 35,000 children they are reported, but maybe lakhs, 1 lakh also. So that much things happening, but the number of village people not aware how to file the FIR, how to register the case, and how to complain, where to complain. The basic idea that people doesn't have. So number of missing cases not registered from our police station. So that counts are missing from these statistics. And as per the data, Home Ministry, 1,379 cases of human trafficking were reported in Karnataka, as well as Tamil Nadu 2020, 2,144, Andhra Pradesh 2,000 something. So like this, every state, like underdeveloped state, developing states, as well as the developed states, every state's facing the issue of human trafficking. So somewhere, because everywhere there is the poor, so they're not able to do the happy life, they're not able to give happy life to the child. That time the brokers or the mediators or traffickers just tell lie to the parents and take the child from the parents. As well, sometimes when the child going with the parents in the some other like a picnic or the tourist or the very crowd area, that time some like the traffickers or the some other illegal activity people are kidnap the child from the market, from the cinema theater, some crowd area also. So after kidnap, they sell the child to somebody, and after that the child go for some untraceable place also. Like these issues also happening. So all over the world, everywhere there is the child human, mostly human trafficking happening from our society. So these are the things. And the other figures, like in 1998, our government statistics said that only in 1998 itself, between 5,000 and 7,000 Nepali girls are trafficked into India, particularly the red light area. That things happen mostly in the Bombay or the West Bengal, Sonakachi, like these are the places. Number of Nepali girls are trafficked from Nepal to India. So only the particular year is 1998. Not only that, even the other statistics also, other figures also shows about and mention about. In India, we have 2 lakhs to 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 2 lakhs to 2 lakhs 50,000 Nepalese women and girls were already there in the Indian brothels type of jobs. Okay. So from this, understand how many girls missing from Nepal, how many girls missing from the Bangladesh, how many girls missing from India. So from these states, easily traffickers are take from one place to other place, because there is a number of border issue. People may not take care of the migrant people or the tourists, all those things. So through that, easily the traffickers are taking the person from one country to other country, and they'll sell to others also. In 2009, it was estimated that 1.2 million children are trafficked worldwide and for sexual exploitations, including the prostitution and production of sexual abusive images like porn industries or porn related jobs. So this kind of things are using by this type of victims only. So even other statistics also, Human Rights Commission also said that 40,000 children are abducted every year, and having 11,000 are untraceable. So not able to trace, not able to find solution, and they are in the case of missing only. Like this, it estimated 3 lakh child beggars are there from our India. So everywhere, tourist spot, railway station, bus stand, any religious institutions we go, in front of our college also, sometimes the children are doing the begging type of things, the forcing, get the money from the students. Okay. So because of some other children are facing this type of issue, so they will kidnap from somebody and they sell to somebody. The person is forcing the child to do the begging type of job. They're getting the money from them. So this is the figures overall what are happening. And we have some data also, like every year 44,000 children are missing. Like, so these are other figures you can read, you can be able to understand how much it is there. Like in 2014, 76% of the people trafficked in India were women and girls only. And 2015 in India, 4,203 human trafficking cases were investigated. Like this number of cases are there, just by understanding how serious it is, how many people are missing, the facing problem because of the human trafficking problem in our society. And from this image also understand what are the issue, what are the types of human trafficking is there. So these are types of human trafficking like child abduction, human cage, forced prostitution, forced laborer, forced marriages, organ theft, selling baby, forced child beggar, trafficking both. Like this number of way the human trafficking issues are there from our society. So we'll discuss one by one. So these are the types of human trafficking like forced laborer, bonded laborer, sex trafficking and prostitution, bed, death bondage, and involuntary servant, servitude among migrant laborers, involuntary domestic servant, forced child marriage, child soldiers, children exploited for commercial sex, and child sex tourism. That is, we have types of human trafficking is there, and the victims also facing these types of um, human trafficking issues. One by one. First one, forced labor. Okay, so forced labor means after kidnap, after sell the person from somebody, and the person is when the person is buy somebody from the market, and they can give any type of jobs to the victim. Okay, for example, sometimes some companies recruit people from the remote area. So they used to tell lie, we have one big shopping complex, we have one big textile company, we have one big automobile company, we need a people, so we are recruit the people from your village. That is, they will recruit number of people from village, like only the youngsters, middle-aged people, children, like this, they will recruit from the village. After that, after recruitment, they are not going to give the proper job. They will sell to somebody. The person is buy all the people from market, and after that, they're getting the forcible job. They don't have any relaxation, they don't have any kind of free. They don't have to get proper salary also. Like they're not able to contact their family. Like this torture they may face. That is the forced laborers. For example, we have one movie called KGF. So I don't know how many of you watched the KGF movie. So like Coil, the gold mine industries also, the workers are working in the particular type of places. They are the forced laborers. So they're forcing the people to work. The people are bought or human trading where only the people are bought all the people and they're compelled them to work in the company or factory or industry. So the forced labor is form of human trafficking can be harder to identify because of they are working in unreachable places. They are working some far away from the normal situation. Okay, even sometimes they may export or trade to other country also. So not able to contact, not able to trace the forced labor problem. Okay, so it may not involve the same criminal networks because different type of network is there for this, because some network people will give 5 people, 10 people, some people will give 100 like this, but the company will buy people from different people, so not from only one agent. It's also probably not able to trace the agent for this human forced labor, human trafficking. Okay, that is one type of human trafficking issues are there. So like these, like some mines, gold mines, or some other coal, or some other minerals type of places, even some forest. Also, this type of forced laborers are there. That is the one type of human trafficking. Next one, bonded laborers. Bonded laborers also come under the human trafficking. So because of they not give any relaxation. So without their permission, without their rights, they are working. They are make them work. That is the bonded laborers. This is referred in the law and in the policy as bonded laborer or the debt bondage. For example, sometimes the parents used to get money from the financier. some financial problem. Parents used to get money from the financier, but after that the financier will tell the lie to the parents that your total amount this much, your interest is this much, interest has some other interest, so total amount of so and so. So you can't, you have to pay all the money, or you have to work in my company, you have to work in my house. Like these conditions they will make. So because of that, the people has to work some other company. So lifelong they have to work. So then also the total debt not get clear, not solved. Or that way they are demand the people to work for long time. Even sometimes they used to give the agreement also. So I got so much money from this so and so person. So because of that, my entire generation, my entire family is the slave or servant for you. We can work through whole years, through whole life like this. They will give some agreement. So everybody has to work for the some financier or the industry or the some other people. So because the financier means financier will get the agreement, and the financier will sell to others also. So that way they get the money and they will run the business, all those things. So those who buy the people from the financier, they may misuse, they may do some other type of jobs also. Like that way the bonded laborers things happen. Mostly in the like a tea estate, those who are doing the tree plucking, tree leaves plucking, the bricks making, different places. The bonded labor is there. So like you, number of family members, same family, a number of members are working for the person. That is the bonded labor. Like so many years also, like 5 years, 10 years continuously, the entire family working for the some other some individual, some industry people. That is the bonded labor. Okay. So in South Asia, it is huge numbers of people are doing the job from generation to generation. So for example, I told you like tea estate. If you go any tea estate area like Ooty or the Nilgiris or some other place, if you go, Kodaikanal, if you go, you can ask them how long they are working. Like they're working third generation, fourth generation people also working in the same type of job, like tea leaves picking. Because initially their grandparents entered in this tea leaves picking job by the way of bonded labor only. After that, slowly, the same whole generation people are doing the same type of jobs. So that kind of things happening. That is the bonded laborers. So that thing started by the human trafficking only. Maybe because of money they have to work, or the financier will sell the people to some third person also. So bonded labor also one of the serious issue in the name of human trafficking. So this way, even sometimes also you can get the news, some collector, some in charge government people used to identify, and they're releasing from this type of jobs, and they will give the rehabilitation way of life also. Some place things happening, but till now some remote area, some village, number of people are working as the bonded laborer. That is also a serious issue of human trafficking. The next one, sex trafficking and prostitution. So as I told you, 80% of the human trafficking case happening because of sexual trafficking or sexual oriented jobs only. Because of this is the easy way to get the money, easy way to get more revenue or the profit. So number of people are doing the sex trafficking things. Mostly the young girls are facing issue of sex trafficking. So sex trafficking means would not exist without the demand of the commercial sex flooring. Okay, because of the things are needed from the society, like because of the urbanization, industrialization, some other development. The people are migrated from one place to other place. The place that they need the commercial sex workers. So the human traffickers or the brokers also sell the people, buy the people in the market. They use the sexual commercial works, sexual way they exploit the human. Okay, so like communities create the enabling environment for further environment for human trafficking. Like sometimes the female victims of the forced laborers, bonded laborers, also after the exploit as forced laborer, after the exploit as bonded laborers, then the women and girls turn into the sexual exploited things also, like by the industry person, by the supervisor, by the kind of in charge also. They may exploit the woman or the girl as the sexual way also. So like a number of brothels houses and outlet area, commercial workplaces, this type of victims are there. Okay, this is also issue from our society. Next one, next type of model human trafficking is death bondage and involuntary servants among migrant laborers. Okay, so migrant laborers is the serious issue. So because of when the person is migrate from one place to other place, so when they reach the new place or unknown place, that time getting help, getting come out from the problem is difficult. Like as we also when we migrate, when we go other state, other country for a job in the particular country, if there is an issue, we're not aware about how to come out from that, where to complain, how, when you're going to control, when you're going to solve, everything we're not able to aware. So like these migrant laborers are facing issue. They are also sometimes facing the human trafficking because like number of reasons. That is the abusive contracts. Some foreign contractors do not follow the rules and regulations properly. They have to inform the embassy properly how many people are recruited from so and so state, so and so country. They are informed to the embassy, but contractors, maybe the fake contractor, they not do anything clearly, so they not inform the embassy, and they will do some kind of tourist visa, and they're doing the job also. So the type of abusive contractors reason for the migrant laborers, because when the person enter via tourist visa, they have to come back within a month. But after they enter through tourist visa, but the contractors make them work in the company, so they're not able to come out easily. After 3 months, the tourist visa going to get invalid. Then the people are compelled to work for other type of jobs also. So legally, people are facing issues. They're not able to come out from the company easily. So because if they not come out within the particular month, they are the criminal. The complaint register on the person. So using the blackmail, the companies are not allowed the person to come out from the company. They are continuing to work in the particular type of jobs only. Like these contractors doing some number of abusive things. So the migrant laborers are facing the human trafficking, and also inadequate local law. Like in India we have good contact with number of other foreign countries. Like we have good contact with Dubai or kind of UK, USA, kind of things. So we have good contacts. So the external ministers force also very good. So they can get easily contact with other country. And when the Indian facing any issue, we can able to recruit, we can able to solve the problem easily. But like some other country also there, like not like India, so we have other country also. That other country people are not have that much good contact with some other foreign countries. They're not good contact with the like USA or the UK or the what is it, Dubai kind of places. So that external minister is not able to help the migrant laborers. So that the legal is something different, the law is something different. There is no agreement from this country and that country. So the external minister also not able to help the migrant laborers issue. So that time the inadequate local law, inadequate proper minister level contacts or the local law of the government. Also the migrant laborers are facing issue. Number of movies are also there. Because of job, they went to foreign country. After they reach the foreign country, maybe the passport missing, the visa also expired, some other way, some other problem. The hero or the heroine not able to come back from foreign country to native country, native place. So they are facing a number of issues. Some people will kidnap, some people will abuse, some people will give torture. The things we are watching from movies. So migrant laborers also one of the human trafficking victims. They are also facing the number of issues, and also international imposition of the exploitation of legal, illegal, often illegal. So that kind of things happen. Okay. So this is also one of the types of human trafficking. It's happening from our society. Okay. Like this type of things. So after they went for job, but there they are get kidnapped. There they're getting the force to work more time or a long period or expected kind of things. That of ways they are facing issues. And next one, involuntary domestic servants. Okay, so domestic servants also one of the issue people are facing by the human trafficking. Okay, as I told you, sometimes the brokers reach the poor parents. They tell lie to the parents that we're going to give job opportunity, we're going to give the proper education to your child. So kindly send with us. We're going to take care of your child. Like this, that way they are take the child from the parents, but really they're not going to give the enough salary. They not give the education also, but they are selling to somebody. Like number of rich people, like high class people or celebrities, used to buy this type of servants from the market, the child servants, because child used to work in the family only. They're not without proper education. Only the household activities only child can do, like cooking or cleaning or some other way of gardening. This type of jobs, then the people will buy from market and they will use only for that type of jobs only. Okay, so that is the domestic servants. So domestic servants also we can't able to trace the domestic servant. The parents are not able to trace because they are in the one family. They are in the private home, maybe in the cottage or in the rest house or some other bungalow, some other guest house. They're working. So the parents are not able to trace. When the police are not able to trace the this type of domestic servants, those who victims are human trafficking. So some years they have to work in the celebrity house or the rich or the millionaire's house as a servant only. So that way sometimes the masters may misuse the servant, like sexually or some other way also they may misuse. Okay, that type of things also happening. Like great demand of the wealthier countries of the Asia and Middle East Asia recruit the domestic servants. Like you know very well from our India also, from other developing countries also, the workers are going to Dubai, some other England and America, France somewhere because of as a domestic workers, because they can keep, they can clean, they can do the household activities for the job that richest, wealthier country people recruit from the developing or undeveloped countries people as a domestic workers. So that way also human trafficking thing is happening from our society. There is one type of human trafficking, like they have to work, they have to take care of all the household activities. So they have to, they not give proper income also, they not give proper holiday rest also. They have to work continuously in the private house. That is also issues of human trafficking. Next one, forced child labor. Okay, so child labor you know very well. That is I told you again. The people are the broker are telling lie to the parents and recruit the take the child from the village. Then they're not going to give the proper education. They sell in the market. They are working in the company. Okay, that thing's also happening. Even sometimes some industry people are want the child labor. Some demand, some industry people are demand the child only because of they are doing some kind of underground business, or they are doing some kind of more secret type of things also. So they recruit only the child for the business, for the industry, all those things. Like this same I told you. Sometimes the people used to recruit the child in the village that they are going to give the free education. We have an ashramam, we have one boarding, we have one hostel. We're going to give free education to the child. Like this way, they are recruited. But after that, only job they have to provide. There is no education for the child. That way also, the child laborer issues are happening from our society. So like subject of involuntary servant, debt bondage, slavery through the use of force, fraud, coercive, victims of trafficking. Like this, number of way the child labor is also facing issue. Child labor is also happening by the human trafficking. Okay, so this is some example of images of child laborer. a victim of human trafficking. Next one, child soldiers. Okay, child soldiers are a serious issue. Number of places the children are buy from the market because of soldier purpose, because of they are turned the child to do some kind of terrorist activities also, because from childhood when they are canvass the child, when they are motivate the child to do something against the other community, against the people, means the child not aware about, child not able to understand what is right, what is wrong, so easily canvass, easily motivate the child into the terrorist. So number of kind of brokers or trade people buy the child from the market for the soldiers, for the terrorists or other activities also, like unlawful recruitment of the child, of the children, through force, fraud or coercion to the exploit for the child laborer, or to be the abused or sex slaves in the conflict areas. Like unlawful practices may be perpetrated by government forces, paramilitary organizations, and rebel groups. So this way they are recruited and they give training to the child and to turn child for the other activities. Even sometimes the child buy from the market for the paramilitary force, sexual things also, like those who are working in the military organizations, for them the children from the market they are using as the sexual exploitation, that way also child used in the military force. Okay, so sometimes turn the same child that turn into the soldiers also, or terrorists also, so that type of business things happening. It also one type of human trafficking. Okay, it's like this, like UNICEF also mentioned that we have more than 3 lakh children are under 18 are currently being exploited in more than 13 armed conflicts places. Okay, so from this understand how many child soldiers organizations are there, how many places the children are recruited for the terrorist purpose or sexual exploitation purpose or paramilitary force, all those things. Number of way the child human trafficking happening from the society. The next one, children are exploited for the commercial sex. So I told you, number of people are exploited or human trafficking happen due to the because of commercial sexual activities only. So many of the children are selling or buying from market because of sexual activity, like from the other foreign countries when they are coming crossing the border, and like I told you, like in Nepalese or Bangladesh, these are the some other important places like in Mumbai or Kolkata, red light area, Sonakachi, these are the places the things happening. Okay, so commercial sex purpose also human trafficking things happening. Like the terms of child sex workers is unexpected because of they are the age, they have to develop, they have to understand the society. Number of children are facing the child sex workers means there is no future for them. So we have to stop it immediately in order to be able to develop the nation. Last one, child sex tourism. This is the last types of human trafficking. Like we have number of types, but I'm mentioning only few only. So my point, last point is child sex tourism. Okay, child sex tourism also another type of human trafficking. So where there is the people who travel from their own country to other country where there is engaged commercial sex act with the children. Okay, because of some developed countries there is restrictions. You should not spend time. You should not buy any child from market. You should not do any kind of sexual activity with any child. There are kind of restrictions there from some country. But some other country there is no any restrictions. You can buy any child from market. You can do any sexual work activities with any child, like this country also there. So the tourists are coming from one country to other country because of to spend time with the child and to do the sexual things with the child. So only the tourist purpose they are coming. They will buy the child from market for 2 months, 3 months. They're roaming with the child. They're doing like a they're roaming with the child and do the sexual activity with the child. After that, they may sell to others other tourists, and they will go to the native place. Then those who buy next time, again they will do the exploitation of the child, and they will sell to others, and then again the second person others may go to the native. So the children are facing the issue of the sex tourism. Okay, so mostly the minors, girls facing the issue, which made sometimes boys also, not only girls, boy child also facing the sex tourism. That kind of child facing that physical problems, psychological problems, like some other STD or STI diseases, drugs addiction, because of the tourist used to do drugs. So when the child is spending time with the tourist, the child also learn the drug things. So drug addiction problem also will develop from the child, and unwanted pregnancy, malnutrition. So why malnutrition? Sometimes the tourists not take care of the child. They exploit only for the commercial, only for the sexual activities only. They not give that much enough things to the child. So they not offer the money. They not offer the any nutritious food to the child, because of only 2-3 months they have spent time with the child. After that they will sell it to somebody. So that time the children are not facing the malnutrition things also. Sometimes death also happen. So like this number of way, because of human trafficking, the child sex tourism, it happening in India also. Any tourist places you can see like these things. Some foreigners roam with the young girls, some foreigners go with the other child. That type of way they are roaming here and there. Some other developed countries also, or undeveloped country also. So because of the child is working as the child sex to the tourist. Okay, that type of issues also happening from our society. So these are the types of human trafficking. This is the way the human trafficking things happening from our society. So that is the forced laborer, bond laborer, sex trafficking and prostitution, debt bondage, and involuntary servants on migrant laborers, involuntary domestic servant, forced child labor, child soldiers, child exploited for commercial sex, child sex tourism. Like this number of way children are facing issue. And to take care of all those things. These are the types of which one causes. Okay, so why it happening? The reasons of human trafficking in India. Okay, so we have number of causes like poverty, political condition, war, social and cultural practices, demand of cheap labor, child marriage, mutilation, sex tourism, child labor, migration, etc. Like this, we have a number of reasons are there for the human trafficking in our society. We'll discuss one by one. First one, poverty. So this is the basic. We are all aware about that. Parents also selling the child to the agent, to the broker, because of poverty. The parents not able to take care of the child. Parents not able to fulfill the needs of child. So they are believe the brokers, believe the traffickers, whatever lie they are telling to the parents, they believe, and they are selling the child to the broker, to the traffickers. Okay. After that, the traffickers not keeping the things properly, and they will sell to other broker, they will sell to other corporate organized crime people, and it going like that. So due to the poverty only, the parents are ready to sell the child to the person, or they send to the fake brokers also. Like whenever the company will recruit the people in the village itself, parents believe because of poverty, parents are selling the child with the brokers for money only. So poverty plays the main role for the human trafficking in a society like Albania, Bulgaria, China, Nigeria, Thailand, Ukraine. So these are the places, because of due to extreme poverty, the trafficking things happening in our society. Political condition, like political instability, militarism, generalized violence, and civil unrest. When it happens continuously in the particular place, a particular state or country, the people are having the fear. Okay, people are getting some kind of worrisome things also. What is going to happen next month, next year, because the bomb blast, firing, attack, military force, or political instability, poverty, something like this. It happened continuously means because of political conditions, parents are feeling fear. Parents are worried about their life. That time they are also selling the child to the broker. They believe the things and they're ready to send the child to the person, because after that they are facing the issue. Okay, so when the happy society, there is a good government means parents also not feeling anything, they will take care of the child. But when some unwanted or unpredictable political condition things happening means, that time parents are selling the child to the broker, so they misuse the child. So political conditions also reason for the human trafficking. Next one, war. You know very well, at the time of war, number of people are facing issue. So there is no safe place. People always used to run away from one place to other place. There is continuously of bullet, bomb, the things happen. So there is no way of life. There is no proper place for the day-to-day life. Okay, so that time some people may die in the war also. So some people may miss their parents, some people miss their children, some people miss their husband or wife. That things have happened during the war time. So in the war, number of family members may lost their other family members. Okay, that time the orphan, the without any family members, if anybody is there, the person is the victim for the brokers, for the traffickers. So they will trace that type of people and they will buy from, they will change the canvas of the person and they will recruit, they will buy, kidnap, all those things. Even sometimes they tell lie that I will marry you, I will take care of you like this, but after that, after marriage, after the sexual things, they will sell to other people also. That kind of things also happen. So during war time, number of trafficking things happen in the particular place. So war also not the reason for the trafficking. Next one, social and cultural practices. Okay, so cultural practices and social practices. In cultural, in our India, we have some what is it? Restrictions, like some other caste also there. From our social certification, the caste system, type of stupid caste system. Some people are telling this type of this caste people have to do the sexual jobs only. For that, we separated some caste people for the caste, for the sexual job. Even some caste for the beggary. Some caste people for the thief like this. Some caste people are doing only the prostitution. Some caste people have to do only the kind of what is it? The dance. They will you should dance in the public place like this. So they will divide the people in this particular caste based. Okay. So because of this kind of caste based sexual prostitution, sexual approval from society, the entire generation people are doing the same type of jobs only. Okay. Even the child also, the unknown child, the unknown baby when they are in the family, slowly from childhood, the parents are motivating the child that you have to do, this is our job, this is our profession, this is our tradition. So you also has to do the sexual oriented job. You also has to do the type of prostitution type of things. You also have to do the dance in front of others. That way they motivate the child. That way they train the child for the prostitution. Okay, that is the way people are. After some time, they're selling the child in the market for the. Knowingly, the parents are selling the child for the sexual things. That is the happening. Okay. Next one, next to social practices, we have a number of restriction of social practices like single mother, divorced woman, widowed and sexually abused woman, young girls with child. So these type of girls are easily tracked, easily traced by the brokers, by the traffickers. Okay, so because single mother, divorced woman means The person will come, okay, I will marry you, I will take care of you, I will adopt your child, we will take care like this. They will tell number of lie things to the woman, and they will marry the girl. After that, they will sell to somebody, they get money, and they will escape from the place. That thing's happening because of traditionally the family, the Indian social practices not allowing the widow remarriage. Okay, not there is restrictions. Woman has to do this type of things only. If you are abused by somebody, then you have to do this type of lifestyle. If anybody rape or something happen means, then the woman has to do these things. Woman's only. This is the problem of woman. That type of social practices are there. So when the societies are what is it? Avoid this group of people or neglect the type of woman victims, all those things, automatically the somebody will misuse the woman, somebody will misuse the child, and they will they will sell buy from market. The things happening side by side. Okay, so because of our cultural as well as the social practices, the human trafficking happening from our society. Next one, demand of cheap labor. Okay, like number, as I told you, number of industry also need the cheap labor. Okay, so they will buy the people from the market, and they will compel the people to work in the company. They don't give proper salary. They don't give proper rest time also. They have to work continuously in the company, like more than 20 hours they have to work in the company. Like this, sometimes the company torture the people because they bought all the people, so the owners can do anything. They are the master of the people, so they can do the more demand is there from market. That type of people. So the thing is there. Even sometimes the owner need a only child for the job. So demand of this type of people, demand of the cheap labor, demand of child labor, the human trafficking happening from our society. The child marriage. So when there is the, as I told you, when there is the female male ratio is the very less. There is no female for the marriage. Means that time the parents used to sell the females. Parents also accept for the marriage without dowry. Sometimes the people will approach that there is no girls in my area, so I'm going to marry your daughter. To kindly give permission. We're not going to go ask any dowry. Like this way, they are canvassed. They will lie to the parents, and they will marry the daughter, and they will give some other rewards also to the parents. After that, after marriage, the husband take the child, the wife from the family, and after few months, there are untraceable. The husband may sell the child to somebody. Fake promise, fake marriage. The things may happen. Okay. So sometimes the child also from the child, its parents also from child itself they are allowing the marriage. So after that, if anybody anything happen like a divorced widow, if any issue means again the mediators brokers are entering traffic the woman. Okay, again lie things and take the child from parents. That type of things. So child marriage also, because child has to get enough education, the particular age of education, they have to, she or he have to get, then only she or he can get the idea, and they can get the job, they can sustain it alone also. But they don't give proper education, they are giving importance for the marriage. So after marriage, anything happen, then entire life will be question mark only. So that time also, the victims or the brokers are easily take the victims from market and sell to somebody. So due to child marriage also, the human trafficking thing is happening. And because of child marriage, the parents are not aware. Even after child marriage, when they have the child, when they have the children, the parents are not aware how to take care of the child, because both the husband and wife are very too young, so they not take care. They are not aware about the child care. They not take care of the child properly. Sometimes that type of child is also getting misplaced from the society. So we have to avoid child marriage. It may solve number of issues. So child marriage also causes for the human trafficking. And mutilation, like because of organs. So organ theft. Okay, so you know some movies also there that trace the person based on the blood group, based on the age also they will trace the people because the millionaires, the rich people need the particular organ means they can trace anybody, they can kidnap the person, and they will murder and they will take the organ from the body. Okay, that type of movies also there you can watch some movies. Okay, so because of the organ also the human trafficking kidnap the person by the child from by the person from market, so and so things happening mostly the kidney or the liver or the heart is a way is a need mutilation things happening. So according to the National Crime Record Bureau 15 cases were registered under the act of transplantation of human organ act. So this is the things. One of these recorded cases, but we have number of other cases also. So like this, because of organ also, human trafficking things happening, and the sex tourism, as I told you, because of sex tourism, so raising the male migration from urban to rural to urban. So you know very well when the people are migrate from rural to urban, like number of BPO centers, number of IT companies, number of industrial is there in any one particular city, any one particular town area means mostly the workers are male only. Okay, and the male also separated the family. They were far away from the family for a month, 2 months, 3 months also. They are working in the town, working in the city because of industrial or IT sector or those things. So for that type of area, the commercial sex work, the prostitution, brothels is automatically developed because of the the males are working in a, different town. They're not with their family, they're not with their wife, but sometimes the people are postpone the marriage also. So marriage age also cross. So that time, like number of IT sector, IT places, IT industry areas, the commercial sex is the commonplace, common things. Okay, like this is also reasons. Sex tourism develop because of development of the society. So that was one of the causes. And child labor, I told you, sometimes the company need the capitalist, the industrial person need only the child for the company. So they will recruit only the child, they buy the child from market and use in their industry. Okay, so you have some other technical type of things, some illegal type of occupations or hazardous or harmful kind of things also only child can do because the elder middleman can aware about that, they're not ready to do the things because of their family, because of the commitment. But children are doesn't have any fear, they can work for any hazardous type jobs also. So the industrial people may misuse this type of children's and they are forcing the child, they are buying from child. Okay, so there are also causes. And migration also causes. Sometimes some people used to migrate cyclically or generally often they used to migrate from one place to other place. For example, the seasonal job, seasonal workers. Okay, so few months they are in the one particular state, other months after that they are going from other particular states. Like in the some festivals time they used to do the selling product. After that they are going for other state for other festival. Like this, they used to change the location from always from different way they are change the location. Okay, so these type of migrate workers, this type of people facing this issue of human trafficking because while migration time anybody can kidnap, they're not able to complain, they're not able to trace, they're busy in their work. Totally the migrant people are facing the issue. Okay, so they're easily victimized by the human traffickers, which pose the great danger of to the child and young woman. So mostly like from people come from Bangladesh, people come from Nepal, people come from other state, other country. So that time people are not able to trace, people are not able to complain because, for example, as I told you, some shopkeepers, some people used to sell their product in Tamil Nadu for some festivals. After that, after next month, they go for Andhra, and there they used to sell the product. After that, they go for Karnataka, they used to go Kerala, like this. Every month they go different place and they will used to the selling, buying things, all those things. So that type of people are easily miss their family members while traveling, while migration time. So they are able to trace the child. Okay, so that also causes of human trafficking. So like this, we have number of causes. Okay, so not only this much, we have number of other causes also there for human trafficking issues of our society. Okay, so poverty, political condition, war, social and cultural practices, demand of cheap labor, child marriage, mutilation, sex tourism, child labor, migration. Like this, we have number of causes. If you go for consequences, okay, impact of human trafficking. So impact, we have number of impact is there. So as I told you, we have a severe impact, like the child, most child women only facing the issue of human trafficking. So they are totally what is it, used, totally exploited in the human trafficking time. So they totally it totally affect their way of affect their victims' lives. Okay, severe psychological and physical attacks things happen to the woman as well as the child also, because the child or woman not accept, not ready to follow, not ready to accept the order of the person means they used to give severe attack. Even psychologically also there is no enough friends, they're not able to communicate with anybody. They have to think about himself, herself, and there is no less, there is no contact at all. So they have to be in the dark area, dark room like this. Psychologically, the victim is facing the issue of human trafficking. Also, diseases like sexually exploited, sexually uh, uh, exploited women facing the issue of STD as well as the HIV also. So this type of problems also victims are facing of human trafficking, and permanent disabilities, as sometimes death also. Like sometimes the people are buy the child from market for the begging job. Okay, so you know very well number of begging childs are deformity or different physical mm, formalities. Okay, so maybe the hands or legs or sighting problem or facial something. So they will damage the parts. They will break the hand, they break the leg, they break the important parts. Then only people get the sympathy. Then only the child can get more money. Because of the reason, the brokers may give severe injury to the child for the begging type of begging job. So that time, permanent disability, like totally the leg or hand broken, or they will take the hand from the body, as well as the death also. Sometimes the severe attack, the death also child will face. These are the consequences victims facing due to the human trafficking. And also the trafficking are aggression, depression, disorientation, alienation, difficulties in concentration. So these things are also the woman as well as the child facing this because of human trafficking. Like more anger, more depression, more stressful. They are away from all people. They're not close with anybody. They not believe anybody. Not able to remember anything. Totally out of the mind, out of the control, out of the stage. They are became because of the victims of torture of the traffickers. Okay, and also injuries and trauma acquired during the process of trafficking. Can number of injuries also the child will get. The trauma also, unforgettable memories also happen to the child. There are consequences, and the trauma and psychological problems also is not allow the victims to begin a normal life. After recover also, after identify the victims, after trace, trap the child, trap the woman, and they're giving the recovery, they're giving the rehabilitation life, also not able to come out immediately easily because of that much of torture, that much of fear the child or woman faced in their few years, the last few years back. So they're not able to come out the life, they come out from the situation immediately. It takes long time to come out from the stage. Okay, so lifelong, sometimes a long time they have to keep the memory, so it affects the physical psychological development of the child or woman, and difficult to adopt the normal lives also, and they will doubt for anybody. Once the victimized, once the child or woman faced any kind of issues, means after that the woman or child totally lose the confidence level. They not believe anybody, they have doubt about everybody. And sometimes the child or the children, mostly the woman, sexually abused, sexually exploited, means next time the woman not close with any other men, any other boy. Okay, whenever the woman facing see any men, she feel fear, she feel doubt, she feel nervous, fear that the things happen. So that kind of things also impact consequences. Things happen to the victim, and rights of the victims are violated even after they come out from the status of exploitation. So again the violated things happen. And the last one, in some case or many case, the victims are re-victimization also. Okay, so because when they're going to complain to the police station, if the neighbors, the relatives, or the any family members known that she was in the brothel or she was in the particular type of jobs from the last few years, means the same motive, the same thought will develop to other people also. So again they may misuse, they also will call, they also will do the sexual type of activity with the victims. So the victim again getting some re-victimized issue also. Okay, this also consequences impact of human trafficking issues from our society. These are the consequences. Let me go for preventive measures. So what we can do, what the government of India doing to control the human trafficking, that we discuss now. We have a number of social legislation. We have an act is there to stop the human trafficking. From this we have two important section, or Article 23, Article 24 is there to save the woman, to save the child from this type of human trafficking. Like Article 23 of the Constitution says, guarantee right against exploitation, prohibits trafficking, human being, and forced laborers. Okay, so rights against the exploitation, prohibits trafficking human being and forced laborer. This way the woman, the law take care, give the safety for the child and woman. Next one, Article 24 saying preventive of child labor, that prohibits employment of children below the 14 years of age. So all governments has to give the free and compulsory education to the child. That way, and no company, factory, mine, other industry not recruit any child below the 14 years. So these are the way the government supporting to take care the child from this type of human trafficking. And we have other law also, like other sections also there, like section 366A, section 366B, section 372, 373, 374. These all the acts or sections are save the woman and child from the human trafficking. Like Human Trafficking Act, Amendment Act is there. So after enhancement of the Criminal Act 2013, it gives number of safety and security for the woman and child from the human trafficking, like some the punishment level, tracing, contacts, toll-free number, like this number of way they are create the opportunity, they creating the safety of woman and child from the human trafficking. We have other act like Trafficking of Women and Child Act 1956, popularly called as the Sita Act, and Child Labor Prohibition and Protection and Regulation Act, Immoral Traffic Act, Prohibition of Offenders Act, Indecent Representation of Women Act, Child Marriage Restraint Act, the Narcotic Drugs and the Psychotropic Substance Act, Child Bludgeoning and Child Labor Act, the Bonded Labor System Abolition Act, Transplantation of Human Act, Prohibition of Child Marriage Act. But there are a number of act legislation is there from the government side. Okay, so act alone it not help to save the woman, the child from the human trafficking. Okay, the government is there. There are a number of section, article, legislations, number of things are there. But it's only for office level, administrative level. Okay, so when the people are know about this, when the people are doing something or using this act, then only we can able to stop the human trafficking. Number of people, parents are not aware how to complain, where to complain, the formalities of FIR, all those things. So how then how the act, the legislations are worked to prevent the human trafficking from the society. Okay. Mostly these acts known only the literate people, rich people only aware about this act, literate people only aware about this act. But you know very well, the child missing cases mostly happen in the rural places. Mostly the illiterate parents only missing their child. Okay, so they're not aware about how to use, what is this, how it is, all those things. So act alone cannot help the human trafficking. But anyway, the act is there from society to take care of the child and to give punishment to the trafficker. After that, other than this, what we can do, other than the act, legal system, what as an individual, as a responsible person, what we can do to control the human trafficking. If everybody take some steps, then only we can able to control the human trafficking. Okay. So from the first one, be vigilant of your surroundings. Okay. So we have to be very vigilant in our area. So any unknown person, any unknown organization, any false broker, anybody is opening any shop, like false contractors, that type of things, anything happen in a local area, we have to aware about that. So who is that, what they're doing, why they're recruiting, how they're recruiting, some things we have to aware. So if you not take care, means it may happen to your neighbor also. Sometimes it may happen to you also. They will recruit you also. Okay, we have a company, kindly join with us. We're going to give better future. Like they will give the life to you and they will recruit. And sometimes they also will do they sell it to somebody. You also victims of him. Sometimes you also victims of human trafficking. So we have vigilance of your surrounding area. Who is that? The neighbors, relatives, known people, or area, everything we have to aware about it. Even if somebody following you regularly, somebody tracking you daily, somebody come near to you by car. So these are things when happen, anything doubt, then we have to aware about that. And then we have to complain, we have to keep some contacts. So we have to aware about that. This way we can able to avoid it. So if you not take care, if you not noticed anything, means anytime the kidnap things happen. So if anything happen, we have to notice the things in your area. Then we can able to guess, we can able to avoid such a people, such a things in our life. So that way we can able to avoid. Next one, avoid walking alone. If you are like mostly the late night or remote area or some other unpopular time or unknown things, street also. So if you are walking alone, people will notice and they will kidnap, they will do the human trafficking things also. Okay, because the brokers or the traffickers notice this type of people, easily they will kidnap and to sell somebody. Okay, they get the money and they will reach the things easily. So avoid to walking alone, the remote or late night or some other places. It also way to escape or to prevent the human trafficking from our life. Okay, so because of human trafficking happen, not only sexual exploitation, human trafficking happen because of the bonded laborers, forced laborers, child marriage, child laborer, sexual tourism, I told you, migrant laborers, number of reasons human trafficking things happen, even the organ also. So number of reasons human trafficking happen. So okay, we are the boys, we are the youngsters, we are the adult, we are the median age. So nothing happened to us like this. Don't believe it may happen to any purpose to any human. So avoid to walking alone. It also way to avoid the human trafficking and switch side space actively. Okay, so go into the nearest building and wait there, or go to some other people and contact with them. Spend time with somebody like this. Even some, you know very well, some movies when the villains are follow the heroine go and waterly speaking with the hero. That type of things happen. So number of movies also there, right? That time, like this way, when somebody follow you, trace you, or following you, you can go to some people and speak publicly. Like you act like a known person with me, like this way you can show. Or you can call somebody, you can inform to somebody the so and so place I am, so and so things happen like this. You can update yourself with somebody. So that way we have to act. If you're fearful, if you not do anything, if you are so silent means nothing can happen. So we have to act very wisely, very actively. It also help you to prevent you from the human trafficking. And don't trust easily. So you know very well, nowadays because of the social media, we are getting number of unknown friends. Okay, so by the friends of friends, like this way, they are somebody send the request, we also accept, but the friends of friends also unknown for the friend. She also accepted like friend of friends. Like this way, they are connect to you, and you also accept the friend request. You also continue your chatting things and liking, comments, all those things, and maybe the people will come, the brokers, the mediators, or the traffickers will come in this way only to trace the people to uh, uh, what is that? To do some kind of uh, exploitations. Okay, so don't trust anybody easily. So we have to aware about, we have to checking, we have to vigilance about the people. Okay, sometimes the people will come and they will take money from you. Sometimes they will call you to the unknown place. They will call you to the events, party, celebrations. That way they will call you. If you go there in that particular place, they people can misuse. That people can sell somebody. Some people can, you can't do anything because it is the, that is the his place, so he can do anything. So don't trust anybody and don't go the, what is that, uh, unknown area, unknown places, like they will, like a boyfriend or anybody is there means. So don't believe, not safe. Anybody can do anything. So don't trust, don't go any unknown place. It also way to avoid the human trafficking. And use the social media wisely. So you can post, you can create awareness. Like we are forwarding, we are sharing a number of unwanted informations. So you can write your page about the human trafficking, about the act, about the information, about the message. So any case study like this, you can share, you can write, you can collect the materials, you can share via social media. It creates some awareness. Number of people aware about, number of people read about your page, and that page also may share with others. Okay, so that way you can use the awareness, create awareness via social media. Okay, it also help you. Some people may read, some people may get the help from this type of human trafficking. So use the social media to develop your awareness on human trafficking and be ready for anything. Okay, it also best idea to avoid the human trafficking. Okay, don't fear for anything and be ready for anything, everything. That way you have to keep, you have to ready for yourself, like a self defense. Keep some harmful things in your handbag or purse. Somewhere you can keep some small like a knife or the blade or some pepper spray, something you can keep for the emergency purpose. Okay, anything, I mean, you can use something, you can keep something in your hand. For that way you can escape, you can use the things, the anything happen, you can escape from this set of materials. So that way also will help you to fight back of your traffickers. And use your phone. We have the number of app is there. from the smartphone. Using app also help you to trace your location and to safety of your life. Okay, number of app is, if you touch the app, then emergency calling, emergency contacts will reach your location. And we have some like a watch also, wrist watch also by Sonata. I think I saw some advertisements since long days back. So if you touch the button from the Sonata, it shares the location. So this way you can use your phone. Some other products, technology you can use emergency time to contact your close friends, to share your information to others. That way also you can use that, and through that also we can able to, some people can trace and they can help the victims from the human traffickers. Next one, trust your inserts, what your soul, what your instincts says, follow it. Don't do anything blindly. Don't do anything because of your friendship, because of your peers, all those things. So ask yourself, it will help you to come out from the problem, come out from the situation. So trust your instincts and follow it, it will help you. And meet your strangers in the public place, not in the private place. Sometimes the strangers will, that's I told you, so friends of friends, by social media, by other way, they are by train, by bus, they are contact, they are develop a friendship. So if anybody want your meeting, coffee, or sometime means, don't go to the unknown place. Okay, try to meet in the known place as well as the public places. Like sometimes they call you to the hotel or the park or beach, some other personal area also. So don't go, don't believe. It also a way to avoid the human trafficking from your life. And seek help from the reliable organizations. We have a number of NGOs are there, police officials also sharing the mobile number. We have to know about these things, at least the contact number of the local police station, contact number of the emergency women's cell, the child care. Like this, some important things we have to keep, we have to remember. It will only help you. Like if you go police railway station, there is some number for a woman. Child care toll-free number is there. If you call the child care toll-free, they will take care of the child. Like this, number of help is there from the reliable source, reliable organizations. You have to find out and you have to trace the things and save their informations in your phone. You can contact the person, so they will help you during the problem or anything happen. They will come and help you. It's also a way to prevent you of human trafficking. Like Sakti Vagini, some NGO is there, and for the child helpline number 1098. Like this, number of organizations are there, government is there to take care to prevent you the human trafficking. So the things we have to aware, we have to keep in our mind the time of emergency. Okay, we have a number of documentary also, like sex trafficking, how human trafficking can affect global food supply chain. CNN's Freedom Project, like this, we have a number of project documentary also there. You can watch this documentary. Even the some I told you in the Hotstar also there is a movie called the Amoli. Amoli movie also one of the documentary of the human trafficking. Like this, number of way we are getting some kind of idea from this mass media. Okay, so that thing we have to keep. When we aware, when we share, when we know about it, then only we can able to control the human trafficking. Because human trafficking not that much common social issues for our life. Maybe those who miss the child, those who victims, they only feel this great problem. But the common man not think about this much issues, causes, consequences, reasons, all those things. So we have to develop the knowledge. We have to create the knowledge to the people. Then only it can solve, it can reduce from our society. So this is the way to develop, to prevent you the human trafficking things from our life. Okay, that's all. The app, like this is the Tamil Nadu Police Department introduced the app called Kavalan. So if you touch the app, it can reach the emergency contact numbers. Like this, not only this, we have a number of other apps also there. So you can use this SOS app, like a type of apps also. Like this, number of technologies there, from the smartwatch, from the phone, from the tracker also. We can keep something where we can able to share somebody, we can able to get the help immediately from somebody. Okay, so that way we can able to develop awareness, that we can able to protect ourselves from the human trafficking. That's all. Thank you. So these are the message from the human trafficking.